Good morning, Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is 5:02 a.m., August 14th, 2018, and what you're looking at today is a, I believe it's from 1984, a NuTone Proline 48-inch industrial fan. This is actually kind of a rare fan because it has, or an unusual fan, I should say, because it's an industrial, but it has 4 blades. It's absolutely one of my favorite fans of all time. I have a couple of them. I have one of them new in the box that I'm hoping to actually have installed in a house someday if I ever get another house. But I have the one behind it that I acquired a long time ago, and this one here that I just picked up at I actually bought for 20 bucks off of Louis Weedman, and at the last Fanimation meetup. So yeah, I'm very happy to have this fan. Like I said, it's one of my all-time favorites, and let's take it for a test spin. I want to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching. If you could click like on this video, I would greatly appreciate it. And so if you could subscribe to my page called the Fan Cave, I'd appreciate that as well. I also have a Facebook page called Fan Cave, so you're welcome to check that out. I was wrong. It looks like it's actually from 86. I said 84. I misspoke. It has the domed lower canopy, whereas the ones from 87 have the sort of cup-shaped canopy. Alright, well, thanks a lot for watching, folks. Good night and good luck.